Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. We are continuing our SAFE journey. Today's topic is what is the vision in SAFE 5.1? As you may aware, I am trying to discuss all the components which are available as part of different configurations of SAFE 5 for lean enterprise. If you are following my channel, if you're following this agile series, you would know that. So currently we're discussing about essential safe, right? We discussed many elements like business, agile teams, even that we discussed entire this left portion of it, and we started with the right portion. We discussed system team as well. So today's and next 2 or 3 videos, we are going to discuss about vision. What is a vision actually? I would like to start with a quote from Daniel Pink, who has written books like Drive and motivational books actually. People at work are thirsting for context, earning to know that what they do contributes to a larger whole. So what he's trying to say here is people should understand what is the vision of the company or what is the vision of that portfolio or a project or a product. They are thirsting for a context. They need to understand the context, like how they are contributing, what are the activities they're doing, and how does that contribute to the overall vision of the company. So that is very important to communicate as a leader. As a lean agile leader, you need to ensure that everybody knows the vision. So vision has been created and vision has been communicated. Every nook and corner of that company, of that particular program, people should know what is the vision, what they're trying to achieve, how they are contributing, what are their activities, and how that activity contributing to the overall larger whole. Right? That understanding should be there across the organization. Let us try to understand what is a vision. The vision is a description of the future state of the solution under development, right? If you're developing an application, if you're developing a software, let's say you're developing an enterprise CRM application, what is going to be the future state after 2 or 3 years? How my application is going to look like? What are the segments we're catering, right? Who are all going to be the customer? What is the geography you are going to look at it? So that description of the future state is called vision. It reflects customer and stakeholder needs as well as the feature and capabilities proposed to meet those needs. See, look at that, the statement made very cleverly. Vision comprises or reflects customer and stakeholder needs, right? And it also reflects the features and capabilities proposed to meet those needs. So what is it they're trying to say here is your vision should reflect customer and stakeholder needs, and the feature and capabilities of the solution proposed also should meet customer needs. You cannot give a solution which is not meeting the customer need, and you cannot call that as a vision. So the reflection of the vision should meet customer as well as the stakeholder needs, as also the solution provided. So both comprises is vision, right? If something is misses, if customer needs are articulated, you are giving a solution, no point, right? If you have a correct customer needs and solution is not articulating it, so it cannot be called as a vision. So that kind of understanding is very important. So then the vision is both aspirational and achievable, providing the broader context and overview and purpose of the solution under development. So vision should give a overview of the solution and the purpose why we are doing that. That is getting articulated anyway with the customer needs. Why customer needs, that also need to be addressed, right? So vision describes as the markets, customer segments, user needs. So very, very important. It sets the boundaries and context for new features, non-functional requirements, and other work. So vision is setting the boundary and the context. That is also very important to understand. The vision applies to any safe configuration, which explains why it is on the spanning palette actually. So vision is applicable to essential safe, large solution safe, full configuration, portfolio is safe. All configuration vision is very important, right? So while its focus is typically on the solution, a portfolio vision is also very clearly relevant, reflecting how the development value streams will cooperate to achieve the enterprise objectives and arts and agile teams. So agile teams may also have their own vision to communicate their part in the developing solution. So your vision will spread across all levels of it. Actually, you might have a portfolio vision, you might have a solution vision, you might have a program vision, right? So at every level you need to decompose that the purpose at that level, right? So that is very important. Let us get into a few more details about vision. Few question: the benefit of lean agile focus on near-term deliverables and fast value delivery, which favors the differing decisions until the last responsible moment, limiting the WIP, right? It also avoids big design upfront, future-proofing architectures, and overly detailed plans, right? We are saying that do a simple design, right? So no big design upfront. So we will even elaborate the product backlog only when that is necessary, right? It's kind of just in time kind of scenario, right? So there's no substitute for a bias for action, right? Let's build it, then we will know, right? That's how it works. However, in the context of large solution, every individual contributor makes many decisions. Therefore, continuously developing, maintaining, and communicating the vision is critical to create a shared understanding of the program goals and objectives, especially as those ideas evolve due to ever shifting market needs and business drivers. See, what we're trying to say here that one way, Lean Agile proposes that, we will defer the decision until the last moment. We will limit our WAP. We will do only the, what is needed for that. We will not do over planning, right? All those things you'll say that. But what happens in the vision when it comes to the vision, right? We are expecting vision to be communicated, should be, elaborated at every level, should reach it, right? So the need is why there is a need of the communication, the purpose need to be communicated at every level is they need to have a shared understanding. Otherwise, what happens is if you don't have a shared vision or shared understanding of it, your deferring decision will go wrong, right? Because your market changes. Why we are deferring the decision at the last moment? Because market needs are changing, business drivers are changing, so you need to be adaptable. We don't want to spend a lot of money at the heart of it, right? So in a regular waterfall model, we will spend a lot of time in planning. We don't want to do that because the changes are on the way every second. Any events like COVID, something are coming other way, collapses, you know regulatory changes, everything is coming in the way. But your vision should be intact. Actually, you cannot create a vision in a differing manner. Actually, so vision should be very clear, right? And should be addressing the needs of the customer. Vision might change, you might change it, but the communication of the vision, most of the time, a vision cannot change, radically. It will not change. Even though the market changes are coming, it may not change very radically. Your features, your solution might change actually, right, based on the market needs and market considerations and everything. But what we are trying to say here is you keep your vision intact and communicate to everyone so that they will adjust the plan according to that. Actually, they will defer the plan whenever that's needed. But without this vision, that cannot be a shared understanding, and programs goals and objectives may not be reachable. So that's what we want to communicate here. Okay. So you cannot differ the vision, right? So you have to have a clear vision understanding, and it can be communicated, and updates can happen, amendments can happen, but that need to be very clear from a leadership perspective. Getting the vision right, right? When we say getting the vision right, you should have a customer needs and wants are getting it right, and solution also getting it right. So that's very important. So keep that purpose intact and then go with our plans. Yeah, please. So thank you. With that, come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you got a fair understanding about what is a vision and what is the importance of vision of having it and communicating to across the organization at every level, right? So how the lean agile leaders need to take it very seriously, and why people should know, everybody should know about the vision. What's the advantage of having a shared understanding, right? So all those things you have understood now, right? So please share your comments how this been practiced in your company. So hope you guys like these kind of videos that helps you in our agile journey, agile preparation of efforts and everything. Okay. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.